Hello class, my name is Miss Logan and I'll be your physical education teacher today. My signal for attention is my whistle. When you hear this, I ask that you please stop what you're doing and face me for further instruction. Today we will be continuing with our basketball unit. And last class we talked about the fundamentals of dribbling and we talked about 4 specific things. We talked about always being in an athletic stance with the ball being dribbled below our waist. We talked about having our arm up to defend the ball so that the defense can't slowly take it away. We talked about having our eyes up so that we can see our teammate, we can see the floor. And then we talked about dribbling with the pads of our fingers because that allows for better control rather than if we were to dribble with the palm. Why do we dribble with our pads, Brooke? For better control. So now we're going to take it one step further today in this lesson and talk about the crossover dribble. Now the crossover dribble is more important because if you have a defender playing you closely, it allows you to get past them and either go to the basket or it allows you to distribute the ball to one of your players. So full speed, we're going to demonstrate first and we're going to focus on 4 things to help us. We're going to focus on the dribble, the plant, the cross, and the push. So full speed, coming at you, it would look like this. And then if we break it down into the 4 different cues, we're going to talk about just the regular dribble. So the dribbles like this, for our waist, our eyes are up just like our dribbling unit. We're dribbling with the palm of our hand and our hands up to protect the ball. We're dribbling this way. Our plant foot is going to be the same foot that the ball is in. So if the ball is in my right hand, our plant foot's going to be our right foot. Ball's in my left hand, my plant foot's going to be my left foot. So I'm dribbling, I plant this foot, I cross the ball below my waist, right at my knee level, a smooth transition. As soon as I cross the ball over, then I'm going to push off with my plant foot into a new direction past the defender. So I'm dribbling, plant my foot, I cross the ball, and then I push. And my momentum is going to take me into that direction where I planted, or the opposite direction of where I planted my foot. So this way, it's going to look like this. And this side. And then this side. Now left-handers, it's the same exact thing, just left-handed. So you're like this, you plant your left foot because the ball's in your left hand, you cross over, and then you push. Now when we break up into our drill, and we get through the drill, okay, we're gonna start the tournament and our practice at the end of class. But safety concerns, if you lose control of the ball during the drill, I want you to yell loose ball, and I don't want you to run through everyone else to get the ball. I want you to run, I don't want you to run actually, I want you to walk around the outside. Once you get the ball, I want you to then run back and get back into your group. Rob, what are we gonna do?
If you lose control of the ball, you're gonna walk around, you're not gonna walk through everybody, and you're gonna go back and begin your drill again.
Right, so we're not gonna run it all until we get the ball, then we go back to our group. Rudy, what's the first cue? Dribble. Emily, what's the second? Plant. Brooke, what is the plant foot?
The same foot that the ball is.
The same foot that the ball is in. The ball's in your right hand, your plant foot is your right. Ball's in the left hand, your plant foot is the left. Brianna, what's the third cue?
Cross.
Cross. And then David, what's the 4th?
Push.
Push. So we have dribble, plant, cross, and push. Now when I say go, I want you to get into your groups that you were in last time. Your groups of 3, if you didn't see them, it's listed on the wall. You should have looked at when you come in. 2 of you are going to stand at the half-court line. Your partner's going to be across from you on the baseline. You're going to have 1 ball per group, and the people that start half-court are going to have the ball. And then I'm going to tell you what we're going to do from there. Ready? Go.